welcome back to Willy's channel. Here we are at bowling. This is my first time here, by the way. And yeah, I'm here with my mom. We're just on a date. It's like the mini golf one. If you saw that video, we're on a date again.
That's a good try though.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm at 16. What is that?
You got 6 on the first shot and then 1 on the second, so 7 is your total.
Okay. Yeah. And you had 9.
I had 9 and then I missed.
So you have
9 total.
I thought I was gonna go down. All right, Mom's bowling. See what she gets. Woo! Right down the middle. Stroke.
Missed it
All right,
last time, so
Mom's turn again.
let's see if we can get
We
that.
we both get 2 tries every time. Woo!
Ooh, just missed it.
What? I thought you got that.
It was close, but it went in the gutter. All right, bumpers for you. You want to show how to hold it?
What's it this?
Yeah.
So it's like you're shooting a web like Spider-Man.
That's right.
But you like, yeah. But you like have that hand in. It's like that, like rock and roll. So it's like that. That's how you hold it.
Perfect.
All
right.
If I struck it, this ball is kind of heavy. I'm kind of good. Alright, there we go. This is actually good. But the other ones are even heavier. So this is good. Oh, that was great.
Yeah, you got a few. Good job.
I hit one down, but that got the other one down, so I had 3 left.
Perfect.
That was good.
Nice shot. Good job.
All right.
All right, your total's 13 now.
Mom's turn. Let's go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Perfecto.
Strike.
Oh, look at that. Is that It hit that other one, but it.
That's all right. Now you got a lot left to knock down for your second try.
Oh, you're talking wrong. This is fun bowling. I should say that.
Hey, it bounced off that bumper pretty good.
Oh,
Hey, 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 hey! Woohoo!
oh!
That was good.
I thought
You
that.
got 5 more. Good job, buddy. Woohoo!
I think I had 2 left.
Yeah, nice.
That was great.
Good job. You
I
got
wonder
it.
if I can get a whole pin, like
Maybe.
all of them,
That would be awesome. That's called
for
a strike.
first try. Oh look,
A lightning strike.
9.
Nice. Good job.
Your turn if I can get it. That wasn't good. I'm going forward instead of back. Why? I guess I can go forward. I can't go.
I know.
Oh, I thought that was gonna be all.
It was right in the middle. It was just a little slow.
It was just like, I gotta go fast.
I gotta go a little
Wait,
harder.
it's too heavy.
I know. You get one more try though. See if you can get the rest.
Can I do 2 hands? So I can go under?
Yeah.
This might be
Nice. That was good.
left. That was great. I got 3 down. So I'm gonna
Awesome.
do that more.
Yeah, that seemed a little more powerful, huh?
Yeah. Oh. Hand your hand now. Go like this. This is good? Or good? Wait. 3 more. Good. That was good.
Yeah. Give it a try. See what happens.
That's way faster.
Yeah, that was strong. That was stronger. That was stronger.
So I think I'm gonna do that. I was going, that was fast, and then I did this. That was kind of good, but then way better. That's way faster. So kids, if you're like little, like 6 or 5 or 4, just you might want to do this when you're bowling because that helped me when I was 6. Yeah, that was way better.
Nice.
Perfect. That was great. That was actually, I think the best.
Yeah, that was one of your best. That was 6. All right, let's see this bumper style. Oh man.
Well, that one just went like, it was right here and then it went like, it's like magnet. I'm gonna get 2 now.
That's okay. You get one more try. It was. It just had.
I'm gonna get all of them.
It had a lot of spin on it, so it turned.
I know, let it
Hey, that was great.
That was good. It hit in the middle, but it didn't get all of them.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get all of them. So,
that spin kind of helped you though.
yeah.
Okay, you get one more try.
You like get that. How do you like
Just kind of let it go straight. Like just kind of let it go straight.
I think I'm kind of like going like
Exactly. That's good. Nice. Great.
that was better.
Yeah.
But I have to like it had a little bit of this spin, that's why it had like 1.
Yeah.
See?
All right, last
100.
round.
Wait, did we do 100 bowling?
I got over 100 points. So that's all it's saying.
What did I get?
You have 67, but now you get one more round. So we'll see what you get total after this.
I just can't let it
All right. Good bounce. Oh, nice. That's all right. You get one more shot. You get one more shot.
I just want to be good.
like anything. It takes practice.
Like I said, practice makes perfect. Step back, step back. Now swing it out.
That was good.
Yeah.
Right in the hole. Good
I
try.
told you.
Good try, good try. Alright, let's see what your total is. You got 70 points. Hey, that's not bad at all.
7?
70.
Wow.
You did great.
Look at angels.
Good job, buddy. Well, what do you think of bowling?
Good, but
Kind of hard.
yeah.
Still learning, huh?
So what are we gonna do? Thanks for watching, kids. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.